Hello guys and welcome. In this video, we are going to design a simple 2D level together using Unity Tile Palette. Step by step, we'll paint the map and quickly build the basic environment for the platform game. Alright, at the first I create 2D tile map and I set name map and I open the tile palette window and create a new palette and set name as palette. Then I open the sprite editor and as you can see my cells are 512 to 512. I drop it to my tile palette and I just start painting with my sprites. After that, I draw another circle outside the map that I designed to fill it with one of my dusty sprites. And as you can see, I select one of my dusty sprites and click fill color button and just I click the between these lines. And after that, I select some of my dusty sprites to change my map sprites with these. One important tip when working with tiles is to make sure your sprites are aligned to the grid properly. So when you place them in the scene, there are no gap or misaligns. Another useful thing to keep in mind is tile repression. If the same ground tile repeats too obviously, the level can look a bit artificial. That's why it's a good idea to create a few variation tiles and mix them together to make the environment feel more natural. It's also helpful to organize your tiles into different tilemap layers. For example, you might have one layer for the main ground, another for background element, and another for decorative detail. Now, to make the train we create have a glider. I will add a tilemap glider 2D component and a compose glider 2D to the object on which our tilemap is located. And then I will check use by compose so that instead of thousands of gliders, we only have one in the row. I will also set the body type in rigid body to static. Okay, now I'm going to add the background from the previous map here. And there are still some places where I need to change the sprites, so I'll do that too. And I'll change the maps tag and layer to ground. Now I'm going to back to the previous map and move the player's prefab to the new map. Oops, I see there is a small problem with the background. To fix this, I need to go and lower the background's ordering layer by 1. Because the player has a camera, I disable the main camera in scene and I'm trying to make ground better than I had. Now I put some coin to map before testing. And I take my game canvas and coin manager from last scene to here. And action! At this point, our character can move safely through the map and continue exploring the level without falling through the ground. But of course, A good platformer needs more than just platform. In the next part, we're going to make things a lot more interesting by creating traps. These traps will be able to damage the player, reduce their health, and if player isn't careful, they might even die. So if you want to learn how to add real gameplay mechanic and make your level more challenging, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be fun.